To buy replicas on a website, start by opening the site in any browser and logging into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create a new one. Once you've accessed your account, find the pair you want to purchase and select the product color, type, and size. Next, scroll down the page and ensure the box that says Grid is checked. Then, click the Buy Now button, which will redirect you to the checkout page. On this page, choose the destination warehouse where you'll enter your order. Scroll down and check the box that says, I have read and agreed, then click Submit Order. After submitting your order, you'll need to pay for it using one of the available options, such as your website balance, PayPal, credit or debit cards, or Union Pay. Once you've chosen your payment option, click Confirm Payment to complete the purchase. By following these steps, you should be able to buy replicas on the website without any issues.